To start, you'll need 4 to 5 very ripe frozen bananas, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or if you have vanilla beans, 2 vanilla beans. Add your favorite sweetener. There's no amount. You're just going to add enough to taste. Just remember that the bananas are ripe. You'll need 1 cup of very cold coconut cream. If you like a little heat, add a pinch of cayenne. And finally, you'll need 2 teaspoons of blue spirulina. You want to blend it until it looks like ice cream, has the texture of ice cream, and you can eat it just like this. It's delicious. You may want to put it in the freezer to make it a bit more solid, but otherwise it's fine. Now, if you want the spirulina, you add it at this point. You're going to blend until you pretty much have an even blue color throughout. And you're done. Now you can eat it like this, but what I like to do is pop it in the freezer for a few hours so that it has the texture of hard ice cream. Delish. Guys, this is so good. Non-dairy ice cream. Non-dairy spirulina vanilla ice cream.